Coming. If you know, say, my dear ladies, especially ladies, I know, say, some men, they will still they talk, but especially ladies, if you know, say, yes, you with friends, una know they play again, or una still they play as friend, may you know they destroy and they go. If you cannot make friend with that person, go away. Go away. Everybody get the way it dey. You understand? Everybody get the way it dey. Maybe not be the way you take grow up, not be the way the other person take grow up. You know, if you just carry adult say you want change am because all the names say you be friend. No. If you know if you condone the character or her character, my dear, you go leave am. No, yours they destroy and they go in. I saw she be or I saw she not be or wait till she not even be. You just try to put her for a body, carry needle, sew am. Just open your body, put the something, carry needle, sew am. Una come make people they feel bad. Una come make people they go depression. All the names say they don't do friend with una. Na crime? Not be crime to do friend. Not be crime to even marry. If you marry, no work, you go. Provided this one not die, the other one not die. Talk less of friendship. If friendship not work, no problem. Everybody go on his way. They know the big person put. You understand? More na know they destroy friends. More na know they destroy each other. On the name say una maybe una know one or two things. Wait till una know. Una no fool una body. Una no fool una body. Una fool una body now. Una perfect. Who they live the perfect life? Who they live the perfect life? Nobody except God. Who they live the perfect life? Nobody they live the perfect life, my dear. Now let God na perfect. We be human being, we not perfect. Not be the way this one take good, not be in the other one still take good. Me, I get friend. If at all, we not even dey in good terms. But I never hear. Say, na so she dey talk, oh, na so she not talk, oh, na so she not talk, oh. Then later we go still settle. Na so it's supposed to be. Because this tongue and teeth, they get misunderstanding. Sometimes another people will still like, they don't like good thing. They want to try, make they cause misunderstanding between both of them. But as adults, if I talk to of now just the verse that moment. But more na not let that thing go na know. Go make una they call una say paddy bestie. More na still reserve and small. If at all, if friend do me anything, if at all me with another again, except I hear saying I saw you they talk, I go leave you. I go just leave you. Me they do you because me I too busy for nonsense. I too busy for nonsense. I never sit and take work, take care of my kids, take time to do my makeup, dress well, eat better food. Now I can't sit and they gossip one idiot. No. I know they get that time like that. More na they do like that. More na try, more na they do like that. Because the way most of una they condemn friends, the way most of una say they condemn friends, I can't avoid a lot of things. A lot of people I can't even they run because I don't even know who be who. Because some of una if una call, the one I tell they talk. I beg una. Me I dey beg una. If friends not work again, make una let each other go. Maybe tomorrow they will still settle. Tomorrow they can settle. But if they not still settle, no problem. Now they know the reason wey make them not settle. Maybe not work well the way they plan. Now make them not settle. But more na leave, more na let them go like that. More na no just dey talk. Wait till na eye see you, wait till na eye no see you, or another person will just come. Down your friend. Na so I hear say you do. You know go even say me you defend them. That time one or two take full hand, drink together, cook together, dance together. May you at least may you say, my brother, my sister. Oh, sorry, oh, and no worry, I will talk to her. Now you go say, you don't know. Now make that one make say I don't need that again as a friend. Now you make me pursue. If you see, now so you be, now so Now you go come talk wetin that one no even know, or wetin you sef no know. Now you go come talk wetin worse more than that. Now you go come talk am. Abeg, make we dey respect friendship. There are still good people out there. Make we dey respect friendship, because the way all this matter dey go now, we not gonna know who we want follow make friends again. We not gonna know who we want talk to again. And we now as a human being, we not go just feel they go like that. Say we not get friends, we not get. Sometimes we need to talk to friends. If at all you have a husband or a boyfriend, then sometimes you need to talk to friends. But who we want to trust now? Where you be say you feel can talk everything. Now, self where you be say if at all you even dey bedroom, your girlfriend call you, fear not let you pick the video call because me you not call screenshot me. Oh. No trust again. No trust again because of waiting with the year or waiting friends don't do to us. No trust again. And before, it's not like that. You can go to your girlfriend place, you go eat, you go naked, you go even do everything. Do everything. You know, even they say, maybe tomorrow, even though we not with the quarrel, social media will go here or this one will go here. But now, everybody is afraid. Everybody is afraid now because of the way some of una they take the handle friendship. It's not good. I beg. May we change, especially we women. May we change. May una not like lie. Just master una wetin una all dey do right from 10 years ago. This one is still 2020. May una still continue. Make una change from una bad way. At least una children don't they grow up. There are things where you say you no let me your children come grow up, come meet, especially lie. Toge, I'm a boy. Make una change from that aspect. Make una change. Thank you. This is a short video I will be dropping here today. As I said, I have a lot. I will be coming on often. We are in vacation right now. So after vacation, maybe once in a week or twice in a week, I will be going on screen to talk, to advise and share my own experience. My next video, I will be sharing it to you too. It will like maybe my own experience. How to move on after breakup. After breaking up, how do I move on? How am I coping with 3 children? How long have I been in Europe? Oh, I will be sharing a little experience from me to you to encourage you out there. It does not matter. You just break up. Try to move on. It no matter. Don't listen to anybody. You're listening to yourself and believe in God. With God, all things are possible. Believe me, I never thought today I can move on. Today I can take care of my 3 kids. I never believed that today I will be like this. But to God be the glory. I never depend on anybody. I depend on God. I trust in God and I depend on myself. I'm really proud. I'm a hardworking woman and a responsible mother for that matter. I'm not perfect too. No, I'm not perfect. That one is the truth. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. I've made a lot of mistakes, tried to correct some and some. I'm still happy that, hey, I made this mistake. I use it until learn. You understand? I believe we are like that. Let's encourage one another. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share. A lot will be going on in this YouTube channel. I will be teaching how I prepare my food, a lot of things, my hair, the way I sew my wig. Maybe later, I'm still trying my makeup. I think I'm trying a little now. I'm trying. Then makeup, a lot of things. I will be doing it in this YouTube channel and my Facebook and my Instagram too. So you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.